Today's video from Sharp Help, we're looking at how you can apply percentage discount to a sales transaction on the XE-A137 register. So if you've got the key in the reg mode and you're familiar with processing sales transactions, there's then a couple of different ways you can apply a discount to the sale. So let's pop through £10 into Department 1. You can either use the percentage discount key to give a discount off an individual item, so an individual line of a transaction, or by giving a discount off the whole sale. To give a discount off an individual item, after you've typed in the item, so £10 Department 1, you then type in the percentage discount. So for 20% it would be 2000, and then you hit this percentage button here. That will take 20% off that individual line of the transaction. If we enter some more items into our sale, so we've got a subtotal of £30. If we want to give a discount off the total transaction, once we press subtotal, we can then enter the discount. So for 50%, 5000, then the percentage key, and that's taken off 50%. We can then cash the transaction off in the normal way and get our receipt printed out. So I hope that video has been helpful. There's plenty of other videos appearing on screen now showing you how to use and program the XE-A137 and other Sharp cash registers, which you're welcome to watch. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.